Okay, so when we're checking in a sample of soil or concrete, we go to field. All right, so I'm at home, so we go field, and then we go to sampling, and then this is concrete, grout, or mortar, and that is for concrete, grout, and mortar. Other sample types is soil and aggregate. So if I wanted to add a Proctor sample, I would click Add Sample. Concrete, grout, and mortar, add sample to make cylinders, right? We want to pick up specimens. So we click Pick Up Specimens, and it asks us which samples are we picking up. Obviously, there's only one set to pick up right now, so we're going to check those off and click Continue. Then it's going to ask us the minimum temperature and maximum temperature inside the cooler. Who were they picked up by? When were they picked up? What time? And that's it. So, you know what the minimum maximum temperatures were? It was probably like 78 yesterday. It got around 60 at night. So Matthew Connor, 60, 78, pickup date. The time was probably around 10 a.m. this morning for you.
It was after, so 11:30.
Okay, so we'll put 11:30, and then we click save. So that is in the field. You do pick up sample when you put them in your truck. Whatever lab you're going to, whether it's Minot or Williston, when you get to the lab, once you get to the lab, you have to check the specimens in. So right below pickup specimens is check in specimens. So I click check in, and it's got the one sample. There might be multiples if you made multiple sets. I check off set 28 made by Matthew Connor, continue, and it shows I got specimen 1, 2, 3, and 4 from set 28, lab. Now this is important. When you select the lab, make sure you pick the proper lab and double check that, because if you check them into the wrong lab, it's a pain to get them moved over in the system. But we're in Williston. Now, if you drop them at Minot, say you were taking samples to Minot, you would select Minot right there. But we're in Williston, so checking into Williston. Checked in by Matthew Connor, check-in date, check-in time. It's gonna auto-fill that stuff in, and then you just click save. Now they're in our system, in our laboratory system, ready for us to receive them and print out the sample number. So that's all you have to do.